We walk on them. We barely notice them. Ants. Yet beneath our feet lies a civilization of astonishing scale and complexity, a civilization that has thrived for millions of years. Ants are everywhere, from forests to deserts, from rainforests to our own backyards. They are masters of adaptation, thriving in almost every habitat on Earth. Prepare to enter the hidden world of ants, a world that will challenge our understanding of civilization itself. The numbers are staggering. Ants outnumber humans by a factor of 1.5 million. Their combined weight rivals that of all humanity. This massive population is not a random scattering. It is organized into tens of thousands of distinct species, each with its own unique adaptations and behaviors. Some ants build towers of leaves, others cultivate fungi for food, some even wage war against other ant colonies. Within each ant colony there is a clear division of labor. Workers, soldiers, nurses, even farmers. Each ant has a role to play in the intricate dance of colony life. Most of us are oblivious to the complex world beneath our feet. We see ants marching in lines, carrying crumbs, or swarming around a dropped ice cream cone. Ant colonies are intricate underground cities with chambers for nurseries, food storage, and even waste disposal. They communicate through a complex system of pheromones, leaving chemical trails and signals that guide their fellow ants. Join us now as we delve deeper into this hidden world. We will uncover the secrets of their social structure, their agricultural prowess, and their remarkable longevity as a species. To truly understand the ant civilization thriving beneath our feet, we must journey back in time. We must rewind the evolutionary clock past the rise and fall of dinosaurs to a period known as the Cretaceous. It was during this era, over 100 million years ago, that the ancestors of ants first emerged. In this ancient world, a group of wasp-like insects underwent a remarkable transformation. They abandoned their solitary lives and embraced a revolutionary new strategy: social living. These early ants were smaller and less specialized than their modern counterparts. They lived in small colonies, cooperating to raise their young and gather food. Over millions of years, ants honed their social organization. Natural selection favored colonies with efficient division of labor, sophisticated communication systems, and complex nest structures. As flowering plants diversified, so too did the ants. They developed specialized mouth parts for collecting nectar, powerful mandibles for crushing seeds, and even symbiotic relationships with plants. Fossils of ants trapped in amber reveal intricate details of their anatomy, preserving their delicate wings, segmented bodies, and even the contents of their last meals. These fossil snapshots, combined with studies of modern ant species, allow scientists to piece together the evolutionary journey of these remarkable creatures. Imagine holding a piece of amber in your hand, sunlight illuminating a tiny insect trapped within. This is not just any insect, it is an ant, frozen in time for millions of years. These amber time capsules offer a window into the past, revealing the diversity and evolution of ancient ant lineages. By studying the anatomical features of these fossilized ants, scientists can trace the evolution of key adaptations. These ancient remnants, preserved in golden tombs of fossilized resin, serve as a testament to the enduring success of the ant superorganism. Within the bustling metropolis of an ant colony, a remarkable social structure dictates every action, every task, every interaction. This is the caste system, a hierarchy of specialized roles that ensures the smooth operation of the superorganism. The most numerous and readily recognizable caste is that of the workers. These tireless females constitute the backbone of the colony, undertaking a diverse range of tasks. Among the workers, further specialization exists. Some equipped with powerful mandibles become soldiers, their sole purpose to defend the colony from rivals and predators. Others, blessed with a more nurturing disposition, become nurses, dedicating their lives to the care of the colony's youngest members. They meticulously tend to the eggs, larvae, and pupae, ensuring their development into healthy adults. At the heart of this intricate society resides the queen, the matriarch and lifeblood of the colony. Unlike the ephemeral lives of her daughters, the queen can live for decades, her sole purpose to ensure the continuation of her lineage. Her immense reproductive capacity allows her to lay thousands, even millions of eggs over her lifetime. The queen's influence extends far beyond her reproductive prowess. She exerts a subtle yet powerful control over the colony through a complex cocktail of pheromones, chemical signals that regulate the behavior of her daughters. The queen's life is one of both privilege and sacrifice. She's constantly attended to by a retinue of workers who groom her, feed her, and dispose of her waste. The death of a queen can send shockwaves through the colony, leading to chaos and infighting. The life cycle of an ant is a testament to the colony's meticulous organization and unwavering commitment to its collective purpose. From the moment an egg is laid, it is meticulously cared for by dedicated workers. Eggs hatch into helpless larvae, entirely dependent on their adult caregivers. The nurses diligently feed and clean them, ensuring their rapid growth and development. Upon reaching their final larval stage, the ants enter a period of metamorphosis, encasing themselves in silken cocoons or pupating within their final larval skin. Inside these protective chambers, a remarkable transformation takes place. The emergence of an adult ant from its pupal stage marks the beginning of its life's work. In the absence of spoken language, ants have evolved a remarkably sophisticated system of chemical communication. Pheromones, chemical signals released into the environment, serve as the primary means of communication within an ant colony. The queen, as the colony's central figure, utilizes pheromones to exert control over her daughters, suppressing their reproductive capabilities and maintaining social order. Workers, in turn, release pheromones to signal danger, mark trails to food sources, and even recognize nestmates from intruders. When a foraging ant discovers a promising food source, it releases a trail of these chemicals as it returns to the nest. This positive feedback loop ensures efficient exploitation of valuable resources, a testament to the power of collective intelligence. The world of ants extends far beyond simple foraging and scavenging. Deep within the rainforest undergrowth, hidden from the casual observer, lies a testament to ant ingenuity, the fungal gardens of leafcutter ants. These remarkable insects have forged a symbiotic partnership with fungi, cultivating their fungal crops with a dedication that rivals human agricultural practices. Leafcutter ants, easily recognized by their long columns of workers carrying freshly cut leaf fragments, are not consuming these leaves directly. Instead, they transport their leafy bounty back to their subterranean nests, where they serve as a substrate for their fungal gardens. The relationship between leafcutter ants and their fungal crops is one of mutual dependence. The ants provide the fungus with a steady supply of fresh plant material, carefully cleaned and prepared to prevent contamination. In return, the fungus breaks down the tough plant fibers, converting them into easily digestible nutrients that the ants can consume. The fungal gardens of leafcutter ants are not haphazard accumulations of decaying plant matter. They are meticulously designed and maintained agricultural systems shaped by millions of years of evolutionary refinement. Worker ants, specialized for their roles in the garden, tirelessly tend to their fungal crops. They meticulously clean the leaves, removing any potential contaminants, and inoculate them with fungal spores. They monitor the humidity and temperature of the garden, adjusting ventilation and water flow to maintain optimal growing conditions. This intricate dance between ant and fungus highlights the remarkable sophistication of ant agriculture. The agricultural prowess of ants extends beyond the cultivation of fungi. In a remarkable display of interspecies cooperation, certain ant species have mastered the art of animal husbandry. forming mutually beneficial partnerships with aphids. Aphids, while seemingly insignificant, possess a valuable commodity, honeydew, a sugary excretion produced as a byproduct of their sap-feeding habits. Worker ants, designated as herders, carefully tend to their aphid herds, protecting them from predators and parasites. They gently stroke the aphids with their antennae, stimulating the release of honeydew, which the ants then collect and transport back to their nest. The ants in turn gain access to a readily available and highly nutritious food source, supplementing their diet with the sweet bounty of their aphid herds. The relationship between ants and aphids is not without its challenges. Aphids, being soft-bodied and relatively defenseless, are prime targets for a variety of predators. Ants, however, have evolved an impressive array of defensive strategies to protect their valuable honeydew providers. Worker ants, acting as vigilant guardians, patrol the area around their aphid herds, their antennae constantly scanning for signs of danger. They aggressively attack any potential threats, biting, stinging, and spraying formic acid to ward off intruders. This unwavering dedication to the defense of their aphid herds underscores the importance of this symbiotic partnership to the ants' survival. Section 1. Cradle to Grave. A society's commitment. The intricate social structure of an ant colony extends far beyond simple divisions of labor. It encompasses a deep-rooted sense of communal responsibility, from the newborns to the elderly. This societal cohesion is a testament to the evolutionary success of the ant superorganism. Unlike many species, ants prioritize the needs of the many over the few. Section 2. Nurturing the future, the brood's first steps. As ant larvae mature, they undergo a series of molts, shedding their exoskeletons to accommodate their rapidly growing bodies. During these vulnerable periods, worker ants provide meticulous care, ensuring the molting process proceeds smoothly and protecting the soft-bodied larvae from harm. Once the larvae have reached their final instar, the stage preceding pupation, they require a different form of care. Worker ants, sensing this transition, carefully transport the larvae to specialized chambers within the nest, providing them with optimal conditions for metamorphosis. The pupal stage, a period of intense transformation, is critical to the development of an adult ant. Within the confines of its cocoon or pupal casing, the larval body undergoes a complete reorganization, giving rise to the specialized appendages and internal organs that will define its adult role. Throughout this metamorphosis, worker ants continue their vigilant care, monitoring the pupae for signs of distress and ensuring optimal humidity and temperature levels within the pupation chambers. This unwavering dedication to the well-being of their developing sisters underscores the ants' deep-rooted commitment to the continuation of their lineage. The life cycle of an ant, while often measured in months rather than years, is not without its share of loss. Workers injured during foraging expeditions or succumbing to old age eventually meet their demise. However, even in death, ants are not forgotten. Specialized workers, known as undertakers or funeral directors, are tasked with the solemn duty of removing the deceased from the nest. Guided by a combination of pheromonal cues and instinctual behavior, these undertakers carefully carry their fallen comrades to designated burial grounds located a safe distance from the colony. This ritualistic disposal of the dead serves a practical purpose, preventing the spread of disease within the densely populated colony. However, it also hints at a deeper understanding, a recognition of mortality that transcends simple instinct. The precise nature of an ant's awareness of death remains a subject of scientific inquiry. However, their meticulous burial practices, their unwavering dedication to their fallen comrades, suggest a level of respect, a recognition of shared purpose that resonates deeply with our own human experiences of loss and remembrance. The concept of immortality has captivated human imagination for millennia. We craft elaborate myths, pursue elusive elixirs, and pore over ancient texts, all in pursuit of a way to cheat death, to extend our fleeting existence. Yet beneath our feet, a civilization of tiny creatures has already unlocked a form of immortality, not for the individual, but for the colony itself. Ant colonies, unlike individual ants, can persist for astonishing lengths of time. While individual workers may live for months or even years, the colony itself, driven by the queen's relentless reproduction, can endure for decades, even centuries, effectively achieving a form of immortality through constant renewal. This remarkable longevity is made possible in part by the ant's unique reproductive strategies. While some ant species rely on traditional mating flights where winged queens and males engage in aerial nuptial dances, others have evolved a more efficient and controlled method of reproduction, cloning. In these clonal ant species, the queen possesses the remarkable ability to produce genetically identical daughters without the need for fertilization. These daughter clones, inheriting their mother's genetic blueprint, ensure the continuation of the colony's lineage, maintaining its unique traits and adaptations across generations. The immortality of an ant colony, while impressive, is not without its limits. These subterranean empires, despite their vast numbers and intricate social networks, are surprisingly vulnerable to a range of threats, from environmental disasters to disease outbreaks. A single catastrophic event can decimate a colony, wiping out generations of hard work and evolutionary progress. One of the most significant threats to ant colonies comes from the microscopic world. Pathogens. Just like human societies, ant colonies are susceptible to outbreaks of infectious diseases which can spread rapidly through their densely populated nests. Fungal infections in particular pose a significant threat, decimating entire colonies with alarming speed. These fungal pathogens, often spread through spores carried by infected individuals, can infiltrate the ants' exoskeletons, penetrating their defenses and wreaking havoc on their internal organs. Infected ants, their behavior altered by the parasitic fungus, may exhibit erratic movements, wander aimlessly, or even turn on their nestmates, spreading the infection further. The consequences of such outbreaks can be devastating. A colony, once a thriving metropolis of interconnected tunnels and bustling chambers, can be reduced to a ghost town, littered with the corpses of its former inhabitants. The air, once thick with the scent of pheromone trails and the sounds of industrious activity, falls silent, a chilling reminder of the fragility of even the most resilient life forms. Despite these ever-present threats, ants have persevered. For over 100 million years, they have weathered storms, survived droughts, and overcome countless challenges. Their success is a testament to their adaptability and collective purpose. The resilience of ants lies in their genetic diversity. With tens of thousands of species, each adapted to unique niches, ants possess a vast reservoir of genetic potential. This allows them to adapt, evolve, and exploit new opportunities. When disaster strikes, some colonies will survive and rebuild. So the next time you see an ant, appreciate its intricate world. Beneath its tiny exterior lies a legacy of resilience and collective action. The ant world, a microcosm teeming beneath our feet, offers a profound reflection on the nature of civilization itself. Their intricate societies, built on cooperation and specialization, challenge our view of complexity and intelligence. Their vulnerability to disease reminds us of our shared fragility. Disease outbreaks can reshape societies, exposing our limits, yet their resilience offers hope. For over 100 million years they have persisted. Their success speaks to the power of diversity and collective action. The ant world offers a valuable perspective on resilience. Even the smallest creatures can achieve extraordinary feats. It challenges us to live in harmony with the natural world. The next time you encounter an anthill, don't just step over it. Pause for a moment and allow yourself to be captivated by the bustling metropolis within. Imagine the intricate network of tunnels, the carefully guarded chambers, the constant hum of activity that never ceases day or night. Envision the queen, deep within her royal chamber, her life dedicated to the perpetuation of her lineage. Picture the tireless workers, their every action guided by instinct and pheromone trails, their lives a testament to selfless dedication to the collective good. Consider the delicate balance of their ecosystem, the symbiotic partnerships with fungi and aphids, the constant struggle against disease and predators. Recognize the intricate web of life that connects them to the surrounding forest, from the leaves they harvest to the seeds they disperse. In the awe of the anthill, we find a renewed appreciation for the wonders of the natural world, a humbling reminder of the complexity that surrounds us, often hidden in plain sight. The ant world, a testament to the power of cooperation and the enduring drive of life, beckons us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the extraordinary tapestry of life that unfolds beneath our feet. Subscribe to Scientific Spectrum for more fascinating insights into the natural world.